Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Windows Server Core 2022 GPO edition. Today I wanted to show you how you can actually manage your GPO regarding password audits and changing your passwords and user lockout policies. So in general we're gonna be configuring all the policies regarding passwords and lockouts and password change. So first of all we need to go to default domain policies. We're gonna edit that. I'm gonna go to computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings, and from here we're gonna go to account policies. From here we will go to password policies first, because that's the main thing that we're gonna actually configure right now. If you want to check your current password policy that you have you got, you can always go to your administrative tools, account directory administrative center, then you go to your domain, you can go to your system, and from here we can go to new password settings, and here are all the current settings that you already have set have been using at the moment after installing your DC for the first time. So of course you can apply some changes from here if you want to. You can add from the domain groups that are gonna be, those policies are gonna be applied to, or you can actually skip all of this, because that was only a check to see what kind of stuff is actually valid right now. And we can go here and manage all the policies ourselves. So we got enforced history password history, which is for 24 days set. Of course we can change that to 30 days or whichever you want to do it. Maximum password policy, password age set for 30 days, so I think it's a standard for after a month the user has to change his password. Minimum password age 1 day. Minimum password length, of course I have set it to 8 characters. You can set it for much more characters depending on what kind of user do you have in your environment. If they are tech savvy, you can change it even to 14 characters if they will be able to remember those passwords. Usually people don't, so I usually set it to 8 characters because that's the minimum for me. And minimum password length added, that's not defined here. Password must be password complexity requirements enabled as always, so you need to use uppercase letters, you need to use special characters and numbers as well. Store passwords using reversible encryption, this is disabled. So these are the basic settings that I have configured. And now we're gonna go to account lockout policy. So what kind of stuff is going to happen when the user puts the password like let's say 3 times. For me it's account lockout durations 15 minutes. You can set it up higher if you wish. Account lockout threshold, so I got only 3 invalid login attempts, so after 3 invalid login attempts the account is locked and the user needs to wait for 10 minutes to try again. You can set it up for 15-30 minutes. And allow administrator account lockout, this one is disabled. Okay, so now we're gonna check if everything works. I'm gonna just GP update. And after this stuff we can actually log into our workstation. Just in case I'm gonna use GP update as well. Just to be sure that everything is synchronized like it should be. Now we can just log out and we'll try 3 invalid password attempts. First one, second one, third one, and let's try fourth. And there we go. The account has been blocked. So after 3 invalid password attempts, the account has been blocked. So the GP policy is working here. If you liked the video, as always, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.